Hi, today I'm going to show you how to assemble your Comodita Uno. Inside the box, you're going to find the walker itself, the backrest, your Comodita pizza cup holder, and the user guide. The handles of your walker are inside its bag. So the first thing you're going to do is lift the walker up, release the locking mechanism on the right, and once it's open, you have to remove the handles from the inside of the bag, but you need to make sure that they go through the side of the walker. I'm going to show you how. Once you pull them through, you have to align the handle with the frame and slide it in desired height and push the locking mechanism in to lock it. Do the same thing with the other side. Make sure that the handle goes through the side of the frame. Pull it out and slide it in. Change the height. Push it in. Now lock your walker to install the backrest. Make sure that the logo is facing the right direction and slide it in on each side. And then turn it all the way to close so it locks. Same thing on the other side. And to lock. Now, to install the cup holder, get it out of the box and simply slide it in. That's it! Your Comodita Uno is ready to go. Enjoy!